A world-renowned education psychologist speaks at an annual bullying prevention conference in Worcester. The message to educators today is instances of bullying are still happening and adults need to be more engaged with young people. Our Roslyn Flaherty joins us now with more on this important presentation. Roslyn?
Olivia, this is the 5th year the conference has been going on. The speaker today says the most common type of bullying is face-to-face bullying, which can lead to cyberbullying. More than 300 educators filled a room at North High School Wednesday, listening to ways to prevent and notice signs of bullying.
It's absolutely critical that we as educators get on board together, that realize, number one, that bullying is learned and can be unlearned. But number two is realize we need to be vigilant.
Dr. Michelle Borba is an educational psychologist and bullying and character expert. She's given speeches all over the world and says she wants to break the cycle of youth violence.
I've worked with too many families whose children have killed themselves as a result of bullycide, and I say enough is enough.
Borba says the most common type of bullying is verbal, and it leads to cyberbullying.
Many kids think that they can get away with it. Our hope, number one, is to stop it face to face, because it's less likely to go up the notch to cyber world.
The Worcester Public Schools says the reports of bullying have been consistent over the last 2 years.
Cyberbullying is the number one concern that we have in the Worcester Public Schools. Facebook, Instagram, tweeting, texting. More and more students are becoming adept to using this type of social media.
School safety liaison Rob Pizzella says educators and parents need to monitor social media accounts.
Parents have to make sure that their sons or daughters are liable to some type of bullying online.
Borba says the number one thing adults can do is create relationships with kids.
There is no better tool for getting through to a child. There's also no better tool than stopping bullying. We really need to let our kids know we care, we're there, and we expect them to be kind-hearted children.
Now, Pizzella says they keep these conferences going on to continue to educate on new ways to prevent bullying.